All right, here's a real quick little video about dealing with endnotes. In Word, you have the ability to insert footnotes or endnotes. By the way, don't insert citation because it's going to want to try and figure out how to deal with the citation, and it almost always gets it wrong. So just go ahead and insert endnote. If you have the cursor right where you want it, and these little superscript numbers go right after the period, so I'm going to drop in an endnote. Word puts in the little number, and then it puts in the number down here, and it allows you to type in your information. Let's say we're going to do William Cronin. Whoops. Changes of land. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but you get the idea. New York. I'm not even sure if it's New York. We'll do basic books, even though I know that's not actually 2007. That's not actual either. All right, you don't want it all in italics, so then you come back here and you do Control I. All right, good stuff. Comma 34 period. All right, so that's kind of what a footnote looks like, right? Here's an actual citation that's correct. I should have probably grabbed my William Cronin book, but I didn't. So anyway, up here we have the text explaining the different reasons to have a citation. And then before I finish this, I just wanted to show you that if you're editing and you want to move something around, Word will automatically renumber. So if I drop that up, whoop, that was bad. If I drop that up into there, by the way, that was a Control Z if you don't know your keystrokes. If I drop that up in there, it automatically makes it a 1 and it renumbers the others. So that's kind of a cool feature. I'm going to now delete this footnote and boom, it's gone just like that. And that's kind of what you do. I hope this is a little bit helpful. And if you have any questions, please email me, send me a tweet. Yeah, I hope everything's going all right in your world. I look forward to reading your stuff, and we'll see y'all sometime. Bye-bye now.